Hi there, students. Impregnable. Okay, if something is impregnable, it's too strong to be captured. It's impossible to capture. It's impregnable. So a fortress or another fortified place is able to take or withstand all attacks. Yeah, it's impossible to conquer. It's unassailable. It's impregnable. You can't take it. And then from that, you can use this more figuratively, meaning too strong to be defeated, impossible to overcome, invincible. So the castle on top of the high mountain was impregnable. It was able to withstand all attacks. My team had an impregnable lead and were clearly going to win the match. He has an impregnable position as boss of the company. Okay, so it's not possible to capture. It's not possible to take, and this is the idea of impregnable. But generally, difficult or impossible to attack. So his argument is impregnable. His logic is impregnable. Yeah, you could have an impregnable castle, an impregnable fortress, but impregnable self-confidence, impregnable logic, impregnable an impregnable defensive position. Notice you can also use this verb impregnable, meaning impossible to make pregnant. Yeah, so I would guess in that context I'm pretty impregnable nowadays. Okay, but from impregnate, to make pregnant, to give, to reproduce. But impregnable. That's a place or a building that is so strong that it's so well defended that it can't be taken by force. People put burglar alarms and all sorts of special systems to deter thieves, but no house is impregnable. An impregnable lead. Impossible to beat, particularly in sport. An impregnable position at the top of the table. An impregnable lead. Unable to be defeated. Manchester United had an impregnable and unbeatable lead. It's not possible to beat it. Okay, so this this political party seemed to be impregnable, but things change. I don't know. For example, in Hungary, the government seems to be in an impregnable position. That nothing can change it. Impregnable impregnable military fortress. So unconquerable, not possible to take. Impregnable walls, not possible to penetrate. An impregnable fortress that it had foiled one invader after another. But I think there is no politician whose position is impregnable. Well, maybe Mr. Putin's position in charge is impregnable at the moment. Okay, okay, invulnerable, unbeatable, strong, and secure. Yeah, so a person or a group is impregnable. They can't be defeated by anyone. They have maybe Microsoft or Google seem to have impregnable positions in the market. Yeah, an impregnable argument, you can't refute it. Something that can't be shaken, impregnable self-confidence. So invulnerable, inviolable, invincible. Um, the team built up an impregnable lead. The castle walls seemed impregnable. Um, the impregnability of this company in the market is being challenged or has been challenged recently. Okay, so if you are impregnable, if you believe in yourself, then you will be impregnable. Yeah, you're not going to fail. So, impregnable. This comes from Latin. Okay, not, and pregnare, pregnant. So, or from to make pregnant, but that's the other one. From also from this one from Latin, imprenable in French. In from not, and prenable, takeable from prendre to take, so untakeable. So impregnable.